Here we have a 2010 registered 5-door Renault Scenic Dynamique with a 1.5-litre manual transmission diesel engine. The car is finished in pearl black and has done just under 18,500 miles. Key features include 1 private owner, satellite navigation, air conditioning, 16-inch alloys, CD player, electric windows and mirrors, automatic lighting control, rain-sensitive wipers, self-dimming interior mirror, ABS and tinted windows. This Renault Scenic has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for a no obligation, fully refundable £100.